The wait is finally over, and the drone world is buzzing with excitement. DJI, the global leader in aerial imaging technology, has officially unveiled its much-anticipated DJI Neo 2, the follow-up to the original DJI Neo that made waves in the compact drone market. This announcement doesn't just bring a new product into DJI's already stacked lineup. It signals a fresh era of ultra-portable yet high-performance drones aimed at creators, travelers, and even professional aerial videographers who want serious power in a small package. For weeks, the internet has been awash with leaks, rumors, and speculation about what DJI had planned for the Neo series. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Now, with the official details in hand, we can finally dive deep into everything, from the confirmed specs and innovative features, to the official pricing and global release date. If you've been wondering whether the DJI Neo 2 is worth your attention and your money, buckle up, because this launch is set to shake up the drone industry in 2025. When DJI first released the Neo, it was positioned as a compact, affordable, and beginner-friendly drone with an emphasis on portability without sacrificing image quality. It quickly gained popularity among vloggers, travelers, and casual hobbyists who wanted something better than a toy drone but less intimidating than a full-size professional rig like the Mavic 3 Pro or Inspire series. The original Neo featured a lightweight body, decent flight time, and surprisingly good stabilization, which made it a favorite for backpackers and social media content creators. However, as drone technology evolved and competitors began offering better sensors, longer battery life, and AI-assisted features, it was clear DJI would need to bring a serious upgrade to keep the Neo line relevant. That's exactly where the Neo 2 comes in, and this time, it's not just an incremental update. It's a full-blown next-generation redesign that pushes the boundaries of what a mini drone can do. DJI officially announced the Neo 2 at a special online launch event streamed worldwide, featuring stunning demo footage from pilots in breathtaking locations. From mountain ridges in Switzerland to coral reefs in the Maldives, the Neo 2's promotional video was a masterclass in showing off its capabilities. The key takeaway from the launch presentation was simple. This drone is built for anyone who refuses to compromise between portability and performance. Whether you're a beginner testing the skies for the first time or a seasoned pilot looking for a secondary travel-friendly setup, the Neo 2 checks all the boxes. Let's get into the details that everyone has been waiting for. The DJI Neo 2 brings a significant leap forward in nearly every department compared to its predecessor. Sensor, 1-inch CMOS sensor, massive upgrade from the Neos 1/1.3 inch. Resolution, 48 MP stills, 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second for slow motion. Dynamic range, 13 stops, ensuring better low-light performance and richer color detail. Lens, 24mm equivalent with f/1.7 aperture for improved depth of field and night shots. Stabilization, 3-axis mechanical gimbal with advanced Rocksteady 4.0 digital stabilization. Photo modes, HDR, Panorama, RAW, DNG, Smart Photo 3.0. This new sensor puts the Neo 2 firmly in prosumer territory, rivaling even the Mavic Air 2S in image quality. Flight time, up to 38 minutes on a single charge. Max speed, 72 km/h,